In this video, we're going to be on the mobile device. Most of the features that we've discussed in this course you can find on the device, but there's a couple of them that's on the web browser. But anyway, what we want to look at right now is how to make a thumbnail just using the CapCut app. Okay, so first thing you need to do is just open up the CapCut app, tap New Project, and here's where you'll choose the actual photo that you're wanting to use in your thumbnail or something like that. You may have an idea of something, but I'm going to be going a little bit different route. What I'm going to be doing is using the smart tools up here where it says text to image. Now inside where the prompt is right here, I'm actually going to just go ahead and type in what it is I'm wanting. I'm going to say CapCut video editor thumbnail. For YouTube. 1280. I'm gonna even put the size and everything down here by 720. If you didn't know the size, now that is the size you need to keep, and that's in pixels. We wanted a 1280 by 720 size, and we want a CapCut video editor thumbnail that is shows someone from behind using computer video editor. We're leaving that on there. Maybe they might even put something on the screen, and let's see what this gives here. Cool thing about this one, guys, you don't have to buy any coins or pay anything to use it. It's free. But now it's not really that good yet either, so I was fooling around with it earlier and it just gave me off as things in the world. But as you can see right here, pretty much first thing out of the gate, I've got 4 different thumbnails here that I could use that would probably work pretty good, but I'm going to choose the third one simply because the guy is sitting more to the right of the thumbnail, and that'll give me more room to use this. And now what I have to do here is I'm going to save that, and even you can even upscale it too if it says if you need to. Let's hit upscale and see what it does. I thought it might let you choose the actual dimensions that you might need, but it doesn't. Now right here it will give you something probably close, but we'll just leave it like it is. And we'll come in here now and go to this project and hit photos. I don't know why it's not it didn't show that, or let me bring it in rather. Right here, okay, what I did right then is I long pressed on the thumbnail and it's giving me some more. Okay, there it is. Now it's brought my editor in where I can add text and things. So here, all I'm really wanting to do, guys, is maybe add the CapCut logo and just put something on here about the course, you know. CapCut video editor course. I may even end up using this thumbnail. I was starting to type thumbnail. Okay, let's put this, see what this looks like. And all you gotta do is just pinch and move wherever you want it. And I'm gonna put it right something like this right here for right now. But I would like to have is some text behind it. I mean, some style, some fonts. I was looking for some type of a big blocky font. So for the time being, I'm just going to go with that right there and see what it does here now. If we could add a photo. Now, I saw that CapCut logo in here earlier, but I don't know where it is now. But what this is really just demonstration purposes anyway. And if we wanted to, we could bring it back in here, you know, right now, and add that. Maybe we could add that logo on here. I'd like to put that logo on the corner of it right there, and I would just about use it whenever I upload my course on some of my sites. But anyway, you see how it works. It does a great job generating the photo for us. It made everything there you see, and we could even make the font even bigger. So there's some adjustments that could have been made on here, but we're just doing it for demonstration purposes only, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next one.